Check out this 2022 Sylvan L3DLZ Bar Tri-Toon. Does have an electric bimini on it. I'm gonna walk you around the back here. Extended deck. Nice wide stainless ladder. Mercury, 150 horse. Let's take a look inside here. This is a really neat boat. Dual loungers in the front. In-floor storage. Does have a changing room. High back helm chair for the captain. Tilt steering, depth finder, stereo. Little cubby hole you could throw keys, phones in, or put a GPS in. Phone chargers there. I'm going to show you what you can do with this boat here. You do have the L-shaped seating here, which is really neat. You can flip this back cushion back and you have a huge lounger. But you notice the bar stools over here. You just grab the grab handles here and pull the bar up. Here's one side of your bar. You do have a footrest, cup holders in it. Here's the other side. You do have a strap to cinch them together to hold them snug. And then you take your stools out and they go around the bar. So you could set 4 people at the bar. You do have a speaker back here and your stereo control, whether you're lounging or sitting at the bar. You can push this cushion back so you can still sit people around the L-shaped seating. Great place to hang out on the water. Do have 2 gates that open to go out on your extended deck. Really unique boat. Really nice. Stop in Annie X SkipperBud's and check this one out.